Many people who have dropped out of high school may ask themselves the question, can I go back and walk across the stage? The answer is yes, but it's more complicated than you may think. There's a number of factors that go into deciding if you can attend high school in person again. We'll discuss how you can, and if not, what your other options are. Before we jump into it, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed. And make sure to check out our other TenneyTube video here where we discuss if private school is truly better than public school. So back to the question at hand. States vary on age, but in general, if you're older than 19 years old, you will not be able to go back in person to attend high school. If you're 19 or younger and have dropped out less than a year, you usually can. This is great for those of you who are looking to attend high school in person and wanting to walk across the stage as a graduate to receive your diploma. There are some downsides to this option though, as it can feel a little awkward going back to school. The age gap between you and your peers can feel isolating, but this is the best option if you're looking to walk across the stage and get a high school diploma. While getting to attend high school in person can be a great option, not everyone is going to be eligible to do so. So let's discuss some of the alternatives, starting with the GED program. Out of all the options in this video, this is the one that you're most likely familiar with. GED stands for General Educational Development. While the GED is not the same as a high school diploma, it still is a very valuable document. The GED is also the most flexible option out of the alternatives we will discuss. The program is entirely self-taught, meaning that you'll study and take tests on your own time. This is a great option for those of you who have a busy schedule or have family matters that you have to attend to. The GED is divided into 4 main sections: reasoning through language arts, mathematics, science, and social studies. Each one of these sections will evaluate your knowledge on a high school level. The exam is also separated into sections, with each section being $40. This means to take the test, it comes down to $160. This can be expensive, so it's recommended not to rush while preparing to take the test. Take time to study and understand the material. There are resources like prep classes and practice tests that are useful. While these are not required, it is recommended for you if you have difficulty learning the material. So while you can go back to high school after dropping out, getting a GED is a great option to consider if you've dropped out as a freshman or a sophomore. The next option I want to discuss is alternative high schools. If you dropped out of high school as a junior or senior, this may be the option that's for you. Alternative high school programs are offered by most local community college campuses. These programs are highly customized and allow you to take classes online, in person, during the day, or at night. This is the perfect solution for those that need to take just a couple of classes to graduate. The primary downside of the alternative high school is that it will be more expensive. While not as cheap as the GED, the alternative high school option is one of the only ones on the list that gives you an official diploma. This is important as the diploma will always hold more weight on a resume than a GED. Another option to consider is adult education classes. These classes are offered by most local community colleges. They are great for getting ahead with your education and picking up certificates. This option is for those of you who may already have your GED and are looking to continue your education. These programs offer certificates, prep classes, ESL classes, and more. While you will not be earning a high school credit, these classes are great for getting ahead on your education. It's also a great way to jumpstart a career or explore some new interests. To conclude, you can in fact go back to high school after dropping out, but it's recommended to check all of the options available to you first. If you dropped out early, it may not be worth your while to go back to school and finish the credits necessary, and instead, it may be better to take the GED. If you dropped out as a junior or senior, going back for credit recovery route is recommended as the diplomas get you more and are more valuable and competitive than the GED. I'd like to thank you for tuning into today's episode of TenneyTube. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give us a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Be sure to also hit that bell icon to be notified whenever we go live with a new video.